Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you a super easy way to convert low-quality images into high-quality ones, like magic. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more quick and helpful tech tips. To get started, open your browser and navigate to Cutout Pro Photo Enhancer. Simply click Upload Image and choose the file you want to enhance. After a moment, the tool will work its magic, and voila, your high-quality image is ready. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Also, comment your ideas for our next tutorial. We'd love to hear from you.